Hey, you are listening to Ultimate Affiliate Marketing. I'm your host. Again, it's Paul Motley here, yet again. I keep saying again, sorry. With another episode, daily podcast, here we are. And it's Friday. We are literally 1 week out from Black Friday right now. And so you are about to get hit with all kinds of offers from all kind of vendors, whether you've ever shopped online before or you have subscribed to people's list, you are about to get hit with those offers. So what does it mean? Well, first off, you're going to get great deals out there, okay, right? And if you do have a few dollars in your pocket, then it's a good time to purchase. But what does it mean to us as either product creators or even affiliate marketers? How can we ride the wave as affiliate marketers ourselves, or if we have our own product? Right, so this is going to work for both things. And it's a common mistake, I think, for a lot of affiliate marketers because they don't fully understand what's happening, right? It's normally the people are getting the paycheck, the last one before the holidays or Christmas or whatever you believe or whatever it is, but they are online ready to buy, yeah? They are hot prospects. So what do we need to do? Well, you kind of need to look at it like this. You can maximize your income, maximize your profits at this time of year. And this is so cool, right? I just want to really share this with you because it's super important and you need to make sure that you do this stuff, right? Let's say you have an offer and it's an affiliate product and you're thinking to yourself, well, I can't offer a discount on a product that I don't own. That's true. But what you can do is you can improve an offer. Okay, so you are creating a better offer with your own bonuses. And you can also then think about it. You can then create like a wait list. So you could actually put an email out now to your email list and let them know there's a wait list going on. Just create a single landing page with a special announcement on it, sort of thing. Get sort of like a little bit about the content, blah, blah, blah. Get notified, ask them to put their email address in, right? Now, okay, yeah, they might already be on your list, but if you want to drive traffic to it, then you can go and pay Google or Facebook or YouTube or whatever it is, drive traffic there, or just use organic methods as well. Say, I've got something amazing coming up, it's happening on Black Friday, make sure you register to get on the VIP wait list. And that's the first part. You build your email list. And then you think, okay, right now, what have I got? And how can I make it even better? All right, so if it's your product or someone else's product as an affiliate, this is where you start thinking, right? We've talked about bonuses before. This is where you can add it in, right? Add that bonus in. And not only that as well, when it comes to the actual sales page, if it's your own product, then cool, you can actually make it look different, right? So if you had something for sale before, change the look. Make it look different. Add a countdown timer so it's only 24 hours, right? So we're talking about Black Friday only. We're not dragging this out. We are making sure this is urgency and scarcity to a single day. It's very important. If it's an affiliate product, then you build a bridge page with a different look to what you've ever had before. And again, you stick in, new content on it, make sure it's registered and it's Black Friday, blah, blah, blah. On that page, you add a countdown timer. Just a 24-hour timer, right? So it's only available that day. And if it clicks over that day, then you send them to a sorry you missed out page, right? And you can give them something else instead. You can send them a different product if you like. Says, really sorry you missed out on this amazing special deal right now, but however, I hope this is going to help you too. And you can send them to another affiliate offer. Or if it's your own product, you can send them to something else, right? Now, next thing. So what do we need to do is we need, like I said, countdown time is very important, but we need to start emailing out our list. So get it planned, get it ready, and get it ready, and implement it when it comes to Friday. So on the day, you want to schedule out an email to go out midnight, sort of Thursday night. So it clicks over, suddenly it's Friday, and there's 1 minute, into 1 minute of Friday or something like that. Send out your email. Short, sharp headlines. Nothing crazy, nothing long tail or anything like that. You're just letting them know. And especially those people which are already on your VIP list, they get the email first, and then you can send it out to the rest of your list later on if you want. And again, another email goes out mid-afternoon or something like that. Just letting them know that, you've only got so many hours left, blah, blah, blah. The special discount, the extra bonuses you're getting with this, and all that good stuff, right? And they may find that a lot of affiliate offers are offering a discount. So you can advertise that discount within your own email if you want, okay? Or on your landing page if you want, your bridge page, sorry. If you're using a bridge page for an affiliate product, then you can make sure you slap it on there. Include the bonuses that they're going to get directly from you if they go ahead and purchase, right? Add a link, job done. That's how you do your bridge page for this particular day promotion, right? And again, the countdown timer, it has to be so important that you've got it there. And finally, last email, a few hours before midnight, make sure people let them know that it's going away in a couple of hours. You've only got X amount of time. Make sure you go ahead and get it. All these things like that can build up to one big cash cow on Black Friday itself. And you might argue, well, maybe I should be going after Cyber Monday. But believe me, it's Black Friday for anyone that's doing anything online specifically. That's the way you want to go for it, because people are online and it's a Friday and they will be checking that out. They'll be opening their emails first thing in the morning and seeing what offers they get. Trust me, they will be doing it. I did it every Black Friday there's ever been. I will log into my emails as soon as I wake up, forgetting about normal logins. Normally every morning I'll just check affiliate commissions and stuff like that that's come through, and then I'll go to emails, right? And then I eventually go to social media. That's my routine. But on Black Friday, first thing I do, check my emails, see if there's anything out there that I want to purchase that I maybe haven't got before, but now there's a special deal on it. So capitalize on that as much as you possibly can. All right, okay. Well, I'm going to leave you with that. I hope you start implementing that now. Go build your wait list, go and crush some commissions next week, and I will catch up with you again tomorrow.